on one very discrete issue. And that's why hindi na niya na naman minention kung ano bang klaseng issue itong mas tututukan daw ni Attorney Dov Jacobs. But he is an international humanitarian lawyer. He is an academic, also very well known, a member of Leiden University. He lectures there, in which people in The Hague, according to Attorney Kaufman, know Attorney Jacobs very, very well. And he's also a proponent of one of the issues which is central to the case. So, kumbaga, a big shot lawyer na talagang very helpful daw sa kaso ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte dito sa pagharap niya sa International Criminal Court. Again, si Attorney Kaufman is very, very limited in whenever magbibigay siya ng mga statement, no? Pero yun nga, ang sinasabi lang niya dito, makakatulong daw itong si Attorney Dov Jacobs dito nga sa kaso together with the other three international lawyers with their team.
Okay,
Gretchen.
merong pinag-uusapan